Click on the link below to get price. The 1500W electric bike for adults offers an impressive blend of power, durability, and versatility for both commuting and leisure riding. With its robust 48V 17.5Ah battery, it provides ample range for long rides, allowing you to tackle various terrains without the anxiety of running out of juice. The bike's 1500W motor delivers exceptional acceleration and speed, making it ideal for those who wish to zip through traffic or enjoy exhilarating weekend rides. One of the standout features is its 29-inch wheels, which not only enhance stability but also smooth out bumps on uneven surfaces. The bike's sturdy aluminum frame adds to its resilience, ensuring it can handle rougher trails while remaining lightweight for easy maneuverability. Riders will appreciate the comfortable seating and ergonomic design, contributing to an enjoyable riding experience, whether you're commuting or exploring nature. In terms of functionality, the bike boasts multiple pedal assist levels, allowing users to customize their riding experience. There's also a throttle option for those who want a purely electric ride. This versatility caters to different riding preferences, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned cyclists. The intuitive display provides essential information at a glance, including speed, battery level, and distance traveled, keeping you informed throughout your journey. The bike's assembly is straightforward, with clear instructions provided. However, it's advisable to have it professionally tuned or checked after initial assembly to ensure optimal performance. Despite its impressive features, the bike does have its weight, which might be a consideration for some users during transport or storage. Overall, the 1500W electric bike offers an outstanding combination of power, comfort, and design. Whether navigating urban streets or hitting the trails, it stands out as a reliable companion for those seeking an electric bike that doesn't compromise on quality or performance. With proper care, this e-bike promises to deliver an exhilarating riding experience for years to come.